up, guys? Today I'm gonna talk to you guys about my Yamaha Banshee. It's one of the projects I have going. I have two other projects going on, but today I'm gonna talk to you guys about this one. I might be posting my other projects, but I don't know. I also have a G35 and a 350Z. G35 is currently getting painted, but we'll talk about that maybe in another video. Comment down below. But yeah, guys, this is my 1997 Yamaha Banshee. Don't mind my puppy right there. But it has a fresh rebuild, new case, new pistons, new heads, wiring is freshly redone. It does need some work. I mean, it's not a perfect bike, of course, but I mean, that's why this YouTube channel is here for. Like, see, I need to fix this seat right here. I need to get new grips because these should slide right off. New levers eventually. I need to fix this light because it has zip ties. But yeah, that's the engine. New hoses. Yeah. See, I need to order the little rubber clamps that go here. Like, it does need some work. It's not perfect. New tires, of course. It's missing like a bolt down here, etc. You know. But yeah, so comment down below if you guys want to see more about the Banshee. And yeah. And well, she does start like first kick, so let's try to give her a go real quick. Let's see, let's get her going. Alright. She should start right up. Cold start for sure. Yeah, my dog loves the Banshee for sure. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I guess he's the YouTube star for sure. But yeah. Heat up a little bit real quick. Alright guys, so she is a little warmer, just a bit. But yeah, as you can see, I need those rubber hoses right here. But yeah, that's the Banshee right there. I need to do so much, like new suspension. Rear brake doesn't work. But yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see more. Sometimes I send it on it, but usually I just take it easy because I know that these things are fucking nuts. But yeah.